In the stillness of a quiet forest, sunlight filters through leaves, creating a dappled dance on the forest floor. The gentle rustle of branches whispers secrets, while the earthy scent of moss invites deep breaths. Here, time slows and worries fade, providing a sanctuary for reflection. This serene environment nurtures emotional strength, reminding us that nature is a healer. It encourages resilience, teaching us to flow with life's ebbs and flows. When standing on the edge of a tranquil beach with waves softly lapping at the shore, we grasp the essence of life's cycles. Nature embraces us, reigniting hope and inner peace, guiding us back to our true selves. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir.